Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x and y as real number. Show that x power 4 plus y power 4 greater than or equal x y times x square plus y square. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. Now we will calculate the difference of the number, then deduce the sign of the number. So x power 4 plus y power 4 minus xy times x square plus y square equals x power 4 plus y power 4 minus x cubed y minus xy cubed. Now we have common factor number x cubed and minus y cubed. So x cubed times x minus y cubed times x minus y. And we have common factor the number x minus y. So x minus y times x cubed minus y cubed. We know that a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now we apply these properties in this example. So x minus y times x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square. Therefore x minus y all square times x square plus xy plus y square. For the number x minus y all square is positive, so we will study the sign of the number x square plus xy plus y square. And we have e plus b all square equals e square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will try to define this property in this example. So x square plus xy plus y square equals x square plus 2 times 1 divided by 2 times x times y plus y square equals x square plus 2 times x times y divided by 2 plus y square. Now we have A representing the number x and B representing the number y. So x square plus 2 times x times y divided by 2 plus y divided by 2 all square minus y divided by 2 all square plus y square equals x plus y divided by 2 all square minus y square divided by 4 plus y square. Therefore x plus y divided by 2 all square minus y square divided by 4 plus 4y square divided by 4. And therefore x plus y divided by 2 all square plus 3 divided by 4 y square. So x plus y divided by 2 all square plus 3 divided by 4 y square greater than or equal 0. And therefore x minus y all square times x plus y divided by 2 all square plus 3 divided by 4 y square greater than or equal 0. Since the difference of the two numbers is positive, so x power 4 plus y power 4 greater than or equal x y times x square plus y square. So this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.